Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the legendary pet phoenix in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. The area is the merchant's resting place in the middle of the Crimson Desert. Feel free to pause the video to get the precise location on your map. Now once you're here, you won't immediately find the phoenix. From what I noticed, the phoenix flies in this general area, flies with smaller birds, and has a bright red-orange pattern. Once you see it, the simplest way to take it down is by using your bow's focused shot with explosive arrows. Once it's down, skin the phoenix, and you'll be rewarded with its feathers and some other items. Now, go to any witch's house, select Craft Abyss gear, then navigate through the options until you're in the special items. Here, you can use the item to craft the sigil. Once that's done, simply open your inventory and use the sigil. Now, click the Pets tab and summon the phoenix. The phoenix or birds in general are the most reliable type of pets you can get in terms of looting. As you can see here, it flies around and picks up the items that the enemies drop slightly faster than the cats and dogs. And that's how to get the legendary pet phoenix in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.